Heading out this morning on another Hog Chapter ride. Thanks to Chris for leading this one. We're going up to Phat Bob's on Holcombe Lake. Going to take the scenic way up there. Heading north on E, this is Rustic Road number 6. Turns out I don't think we're going to go too far down this, because I remember Chris telling me at a little ways in, he found another side road that's beautiful. Phat Bob's. As predicted, we're the only motorcycles brave enough today. Be the site of the hog picnic in another month or so. Tend to use this park in Cornell. Crossing the Chippewa River here, that's a theme for the weekend. .178 along the Chippewa here remains one of my favorite stretches of road in this entire area. It's just beautiful, the curves are fun, can't beat it. Coming to the north side of Chippewa here, it's pretty much the end of the exciting part of the route for today. Another wonderful ride with friends. Short ride today, but nice to get out. Certainly nicer after lunch. Up to a balmy 55 degrees now. And not raining, so that's a plus. Catch you on the next one.